Today we'll be speaking to Vishal Singh, who's currently tell us how banking has changed as technology has become more advanced.
Yeah, I mean, I can give my experience from the past 25, 30 years in the US. When I joined and started banking, it was very hard for me to go across branches, first of all, just do transactions across branches, across banks, across countries. Very hard to do across countries. To send money from the US to India was very painful. It used to take a lot of time, 7 to 10 days. Um, Over the period of time with technology, uh, things have changed. Now I don't even go to the branch location anymore, and it's much easier for me to send money across branches. The branches are connected to each other, and from country A to country B is reduced down to minutes, if not hours. So it's very fast for small amounts. So that's a big change. Um,
Right. So yeah, go ahead.
Go ahead, go ahead.
Okay. So what are the new technologies that are being implemented in banking today?
The technology that are being implemented in banking are primarily around the front end. So they're changing it to the from the device, right? The back end is mainframe still, which is the old technology, but the biggest technology changes on the front end where the mobile field is having increasing visibility and competition. So people have phones, people have iPads, and they do want everything on the phone to be able to do everything on the phone in a few minutes. The other thing is we're using artificial intelligence and we're using data analytics in a bigger way to determine fraud, for example, and other things. But keeping in mind that the privacy is a big concern, so we don't really look at each customer. We aggregate the data. So privacy is another thing that the bank looks at, how to keep things private. So those are the areas that we are looking at.
Right. So what technology do you think computer science students should study if they want to pursue a career in the fintech industry?
The key technology would be something like data analytics. Apache Spark is being used for running through vast amounts of data. So the fintech industry's got vast amounts of data where they need to figure out, as I said, fraud cases, anti-money laundering. So if someone is messing around with money, sending it from account A to account B to account C, that can be analyzed by uh, these data analytics. Then, if there's any bias, if the bank is not able to help rural customers as well as urban customers, if the segments are, divided towards one, so data analytics essentially plays a large role in almost every aspect of the bank today. The other thing is they're using machine learning. I'm using machine learning and AI in the front end of the bank to help customers with the app called Erica, which is one of the most award-winning apps in the bank. And here we have conversational commerce, where you customer converses with the user and gets to know all his details. Plus, we provide insights into the customer, how much his spend is, spend habits, and so on and so forth. So this is a very powerful paradigm shift for the bank where they're providing added value to the customer. The last is working on the front end, knowing the Android platform, the Apple platform well to deliver mobile solutions quickly and correctly. These three are the key technologies that the bank is investing in, definitely, while keeping the back end, sustainable.
Okay. Thank you so much for your time. I wish you all the very best.
Thanks. You too.